Hey guys, this is Mark with iAppleTech128 and welcome to a very different but exciting video. This is my desk tour. It's been several years since I made a desk tour. We've been in this office for almost 4 years and it's almost been that long since I made a tour. I feel like not a lot has changed, but then again, slowly things change over time. So I wanted to make an updated video about my desk tour, so let's go ahead check it out. So everything that I talk about for the most part will be linked in the description below if I can find a link to it or an equivalent of some type. But this is the wide view. This is an overview of my desk and what it looks like. So let's actually take a look at my chair. This is the Herman Miller Aeron. We did make a video on this, so I'm not going to go crazy in depth into it, but it is basically a stupid expensive chair, but it's pretty comfortable and pretty good. So I do like it. It's a nice chair. So yeah, it works for me. And pretty much everything you see on here, I have made a video on. I got the Magic Trackpad 2 and the Magic Keyboard. I've got the Logitech MX Master. This is the first generation, but the second generation is coming in the mail Monday. So I'll get that then. Let's see if I can bring the light over here. I am doing this on the iPhone on the Osmo Mobile. So that's kind of cool. I've got the Beats Solo 3, I think. Not the wireless one though. I got some 3D printed card holders. They are double-sided taped to the monitor base so they don't move around, which is nice. We got a vertical monitor. This is my newest addition that I added about a week ago, so it's kind of cool. I really like to use this for media management when we're in Premiere. I can go ahead and see all my clips right here, and then I can do a preview before I bring it into the timeline. Behind there we've got the Rode PSA-1 holding the Blue Yeti. I've had both of these for like 5 years now. We got a pop filter on here. And then, see, we just got some AirPods right here. And then back here is my 6-core Mac Pro. This thing has been with me since 2015. And I really love this thing. It's awesome. It's sitting on some sort of stand that I also just got not too long ago. So, it's vertical, but it's a lot easier to, hold the, get the ports and everything in there. And then audio has changed. We have Logitech speakers. We did before, but this one is much fancier. It's got a much bigger subwoofer. You can see that right there. And they sound surprisingly good. We got this egg light that we did make a video on. Right here is my main display. This is a 4K Samsung 28-inch monitor. I have not made a video on this. It's been so old and I've had this for so long that I don't really know if it's worth making a video anymore on it. But it's pretty cool. It looks great. This is a 1080p monitor. This is 4K and the Thunderbolt display is 2560 by 1440, so it's 1440p. This is on a gas spring arm, so it is floating and I can move it around. I don't tend to, but it's nice that I can stick stuff under it. We've got the Elgato Stream Deck, which I just made a video on. This is a docking station for the Echo Dot and the iPhone. I've got an iPhone 10 right here. We got our red Minimag card reader. And then the Thunderbolt display right here. I've had this thing forever. This too is on a gas spring arm, so that's kind of floating right there. But that's pretty much it. I want to take you through what I use all these monitors for. So my main monitor right here is for timelines, as well as some effect controls and my color correction. We've got our clips, our source clips in the preview monitor. And then right here is the final output monitor and some video scopes. So that's what I use it for video editing. When I'm not video editing, we got to-do lists and iMessage over here, We got browser and email here. And then over here, we just got a live view of the security cameras. And I'm really still trying to find use for 3 monitors. I can barely fill up 2. So that's kind of interesting. But that is my setup. That is my updated setup for 2018. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, links to everything will be in the description. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.